Over the years, I've noticed that our wild orchids have started to colonise my garden. But where do they come from? The answer lies in the field at the back of our house, so let's explore it to see what the latest additions are. Around the old bonfire site, there are dozens of common spotted orchids. This orchid is an hybrid between the common spotted and the southern marsh orchid, otherwise it wouldn't be as tall as this. This is the field at the back of our house, and a few years since it became colonised with orchids. Since then they've spread, and we now know that they're southern marsh orchids, and there's really must be hundreds of them here.
They've never been here before, they've even spread here.
Let's hope that these orchids continue to flourish over the coming years.